trapped in the corners of my tainted mind, and there's no way out. Illusions, the only way I see the light tonight. I'm calling out, not a soul can hear me, losing my sanity. Oh, I live without twisted thoughts on my peace, just my reality. Been trying to breathe, down on my knees, it's killing me. My lungs are weak, 'cause life just ain't playing fair. Hard to believe, when what you need is out of reach. My world is suffocating me. I've been there. My world is suffocating me. I've been there. Not a soul can hear me. My world is suffocating me. I've been there. I move in slow motion and I'm left behind. No one gets to ask if I could use a little prayer to guide me tonight. I'm calling out, not a soul can hear me, losing my sanity. Oh, I live without twisted thoughts on my peace, just my reality. Been trying to breathe, down on my knees, it's killing me. My lungs are weak, 'cause life just ain't playing fair. Hard to believe, when what you need is out of reach. My world is suffocating me. I've been there. My world is suffocating me. I've been there. You just give me and I get you. Too easy to see the truth. I never want this to burn out. I never want us to burn down. I didn't lose you, you lost me. You lost me. Whoa. I didn't lose you, you lost me. You lost me. Whoa. I didn't lose you, you lost me. You lost me. Whoa. something on your mind. You know that you're lonely and you've been for a while. Can see it in your eyes, can see it in your smile. I don't wanna let go, I don't wanna let go. We've been wanting more for so many years, and now it's finally here, finally here. I don't wanna hold back, I don't wanna hold back. Just hold you close and never let you go. 'Cause girl, you're beautiful, girl, you're beautiful. Girl, you're beautiful, girl, you're beautiful. There's more to say than how the story's told. Our hearts beat as one. We can't let that go to waste. All these memories can't fade away. They were made out of gold. They'll be there when we're old. I don't wanna let go, I don't wanna let go. We've been wanting more for so many years, and now it's finally here, finally here. I don't wanna hold back, I don't wanna hold back. Just hold you close and never let you go. 'Cause girl, you're beautiful, girl, you're beautiful.
I don't wanna go out on my own. Maybe we could stay and make a home. It's written on my heart and in my soul. You're the one good thing. And I don't think I've ever been so low. 'Cause losing you was worse than losing hope. And baby, I could never let you go. You're the one good thing I know. So tell me that it's all okay. Tell me we will find a better way. Just tell me that it's all okay.